One. Hello. Howdy. Welcome. My name is Michael A. Jackson of Michael A. Jackson Films, and I'd like to introduce myself. Like to take a moment to say hi. Hope you're getting great pictures today. Hope you're out there snapping away. And I'd also like to introduce who we are as a company as well. We are a second shooter drone company, and what that means is when you have an event, when you have something going on, a wedding or whatever, and the customer, as you know, they're more and more requesting these drone shots, or maybe shots that just you can't do by hand, climbing the side of a mountain and things like that, especially with the winter coming up here in Phoenix. So what we've done is we've spent the last 6 months as a photographer company learning how to fly drones, getting our Part 107, securing insurance, and securing the best possible device. And what I've learned along the way is you can't fly a drone and shoot a wedding effectively at the same time. So our side of the deal is to do the drone shots, to do the drone photography, to do the B-roll, to concentrate on that, to leave you free to focus on what really needs to get done. The stills, the family videos, the close-ups and things like that. While we're in the background taking care of that, fully insured, fully trained, Part 107 certified, all the things that I'm sure you've seen by now. And one of the things that I'm sure you've seen by now is the price of these things. They are a little pricey. The Phantoms are excellent, excellent drones. The Mavics are excellent, excellent drones. But the quality really comes in with the Inspire 2. Now, the Inspire 2 is the cream of the crop. It is the drone to end all drones. Pretty fantastic piece of work. We've learned quite a bit in the time that we've had the thing about the quality of drones. And there are things that this particular drone can do that just aren't available with other ones. But therein lies the problem: the $10,000 to $12,000 outlay to get the quality. So what we do is we fly around in the background while you're busy talking to the bridezilla, while you're busy talking to groomzilla, while you're busy getting these excellent, excellent wedding shots, excellent, excellent event shots, or doing a music video, or doing whatever it is that you have to do behind your normal camera, and not have to worry about, well, I got to fly this B-roll and I got to do this in the background, and is my drone even ready for that? This is where you bring me in as an independent contractor. I quietly work in the background, get the shots you need, review them before we go, and until we get to know each other, just work $300 or $400 into the price. This is already paid for, so that's not a concern. So the pressure is off, and the only thing we have to worry about is getting the perfect shots for your projects, for your events, for your weddings. Again, my name is Michael A. Jackson with Michael A. Jackson Films at 623-888-0156. We are setting up the new site and the new YouTube channel and the new Facebook channel and the new Instagram channel. And holy cow, we're switching everything over from the old business to the new. So look me up on YouTube for as Michael A. Jackson Films. Search for the channel, because if you type in Michael A. Jackson, it's going to give you different results. But if you search channel on YouTube, you'll get me there. And I'm also there on Instagram as well, posting pretty frequently. Again, my name is Michael A. Jackson, 623-888-0156. Look forward to hearing from you soon. We're going to shoot some great pictures together. Have a great evening, and we'll talk to you later.